नमस्कार दोस्तों. So here we are at the Bhimgarh Fort. This is the Parvan river. You are seeing it. It is almost dry. Only some water is left here, and you can see this dried river. Small anicut is made there, and this is the rocks from where the Parvan river flows. This area is called Bhimgarh Fort. Here are the some temples are located here. They are called the Kakuni temples. So here are the steps, which are the makeshift steps. These are arranged from the broken temples. See the pillars, they were used for making the steps. So this fort, Bhimgarh Fort, is established by the Raja Bhimdev, and here are the many Kakuni temples, which have temple of Shiva, Vaishnava, and Jain temples are located here. Here on the right side of the river, here Mataji temple is there. On the hill there is Mataji temple, and on the left hand side there is a Ganesh temple. There the idol height is 15 feet. So we will go to on that side. Here we can see many desires of the pilgrims. So they built this heap of small stones. You can see here are two deities. You can see here broken pieces were arranged and put in this wall. There is Ganesha, another one idol, and this one, and one more on this side. This seems some Devi statue. So here we come in the complex. So this might be the wall of the fort. It is completely in dilapidated stage now. These steps are also made from the stones taken out from the walls. These bigger walls without any mortar and lime. You can see this beautiful carved pillars are used here in making the steps. See this one also. So this is the ancient temple of Mataji. You can see on the hill one new partition is also made, and another old temple is in also there. So we'll go and see. So this one is the old temple, blackened stones. See, one horse rider is attacking his enemy. This pillar is standing, might be taken from somewhere else. This temple, you can see inside. Here many names are written on the walls, and this might be the Garbhagriha, but it is in broken form. This might be the Shivling, broken half during the attack of other kings. See the roof, it is also broken, and that might be the structure around the Shivling, but that is also broken by the invaders. So here we come out. See, it's outside, only half built, rest is broken. See this beautiful carved pillars, they are lying here and there. Another one is there. See how they use the different color stones. This one is black, this is the white type of stone, and from these stones taken from the another buildings they built this temple. It is also in a broken state. See this one, this is the platform, and rest here it is the nothing there. And this is the Parvan river. You can see these trees, there comes the Parvan river. So this is the new complex of Mataji. So we will go there and search. These temples were built around 8th to 10th century. You can see some small idols were planted in the wall. This tiger-like structure, these broken pieces of the pillars, they were also put in the wall. So here we can see the broken idols. Here saffron color is painted on them. Here you can see sometimes they were worshipped here. Here it is Shiva and Parvati. Half bust is broken there, and this one also the head is broken. Here also some goddess and this horse rider. These are the iron structures which are used in the worship. This beautiful flower shaped structure, this is a broken pillar. Let me show you one very attractive sculpture put in the wall. See this one, a head is in the hand of someone, and this horse like structure, a portion is there, you can see. And see this one, this goddess holding the sword, and in another hand it has a different instrument, and in one hand it has also a different instrument. See this one sword, how much beautiful is this, and she is killing a demon. So this must be the Mahishasur Mardani. Okay, and see this broken one, another broken. So here it is Shiv Mandir. You can see 4 pillars. It is, you can see beautiful pillars. See here, see the beautiful pillars. These are dancing forms, and they are playing some musical instruments. This also, see in various dance forms, the dancers are doing dance. See this one, and this one is playing drum, and it is in different posture. And here you can see these Yakshuni type figures made here in the pillar. And inside in the Garbhagriha, though the roof is not in a good shape, so here Shivling is here, but now worshipping is performed here. So you can imagine how much beautiful these temples were at the time of when they made. These all temples are 8 to 10 centuries old. So these are possibly Pratihar Kalin temples. One more third temple is here. This, you can see this idol is broken and placed here. Another, that lady, broken face, and that is the again a small part. This side can't see anything. Here no decoration is there. So this is the Jain temple. You can see one idol is there like Mahavira or some other gods of Jain religion, and its facade is very simple. You can see outer wall of the temple, it is almost damaged completely. Only some of these platforms are left. So this is the main Mataji temple here, which is worshipped nowadays here. Finally, let me show you the compound. Here this broken temple, then the another one, then one more there, and this is the new temple of Mataji. And this meeting is here for calculating the donations of the temple. That is the temple committee organizing the affairs of this temple. So here we conclude this video on the most beautiful sculpture I liked here, this Mahishasur Mardini. Okay guys, in the next episode we will tour around the Ganesh temple. Bye.